Hi everyone! Let's learn about an often overlooked piece of punctuation, parentheses. When you use parentheses, it is sort of like whispering to your reader. Parentheses add extra information, something useful but not essential to the sentence. If you took the words inside the parentheses out, the sentence would still make sense. Let's look at an example. My dog, a golden retriever, loves to play fetch. Do you see how a golden retriever gives us more detail about the dog, but if I take it out, the sentence still works. My dog loves to play fetch. The extra information is nice to have, but it's not necessary. Let's try another. We are going to the museum if it doesn't rain. Here, the parentheses show a condition, kind of like a side comment, but if I took it out, the main idea is still there. So, parentheses let you add quick details, side notes, or even jokes. But just remember, if the information is important, don't put it in parentheses. Let it stand on its own. That's it! Now that you know how to use parentheses, try them in your own writing. Bye for now!